channel Gadget Tech. Hope you are doing well during this pandemic and taking all the precautions. I have got a new phone, Redmi Note 10 Pro. This phone has been recently launched in Nepalese market. There are two variants available. The price of 6128 is 34,000 and the price of 8128 is 37,000. This video is overall review about this phone. We will doing a comparison video with Samsung M62 in the next week. Let's get started with the unboxing of Redmi Note 10 Pro. In the phone, we get a warranty card, user guide, a translucent case, a SIM ejector pin, 33-watt fast charging adapter, USB to C type cable and also. We have the two color options available in Nepalese market, Oxy Grey and Glacier Blue. We have the Glacier Blue variant. The 6.67 inches screen with AMOLED display. There are two sets of speakers, one on the top and one on the bottom. 3.5 mm jack and a IR blaster which controls your electronic gadgets like TV and AC. I personally like the display of Redmi Note 10 Pro. The AMOLED screen is excellent and it can run on 120Hz refresh rate which provides super smooth scrolling experience. Battery life of this phone is 5020 mAh. It gives you fairly average usage time compared to other phones in this range, which generally gives 6000 mAh battery. I think it has an average battery performance because of the used screen 6.67 inches, and if you are using in 120Hz refresh rate, it will give you around 5 to 6 hour battery life, but if you are using in 60Hz, you can get around half an hour more battery life. So it's lacking somewhere due to its battery capacity, but it is paired with 33-watt fast charger, so it won't be so much of hassle. Also with extensive continuous uses for about 1 to 1.5 hours, it gets slightly warm at the back. And it gets warm particularly in this area. Also the charger gets slightly warm with continuous charging, but all these things are not to be worried about. Coming to its processor capabilities, it's run on Snapdragon 732G processor and we found it Geekbench scored around 567 for single core performance and 1716 for multi-core performance. It noticeably performs slightly better than other phones in the same segment. Camera quality of this Redmi Note 10 Pro is quite good. They capture some really crisp and beautiful images. It has a camera setup of 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel macro camera, 2 megapixel depth camera with a LED flashlight. Here in the back, Xiaomi has provided a good looking glossy finish with a decent shade of blue color. It comes without the Gorilla Glass protection in the back, so an advice to use the translucent case that comes with it. This way you also don't have to compromise on the good finish that it has while also maintaining safety. Though it comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection in the front. It runs on Android 11 and has its MIUI as its own custom Xiaomi built user interface. And according to me, it's quite user friendly and has comparatively less bloatware compared to earlier Redmi series phones. So that's all for now. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Gadget Tech for more informative videos on upcoming smartphones. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment if you like this video. Thank you and bye bye.